What's up, guys? I'm out here on this very, very chilly night, but that's okay. The doors have been opened at Autoworx by Streetwise. It's not too bad in there. Over here they have the clubhouse, people are shooting pool, we've got the car meet here in the lot, both inside and out. And then inside they're demoing vinyl wrap. Autoworx is showing off their shop, some of the paint and body work that they've done, as well as the automotive repair stuff that they work on. So I'm going to do another lap, take you inside, show you around, and do a spotlight of some of these cars here. We've got some really nice rides that showed up tonight on a Monday night. That's pretty cool when you see something unexpected. Wednesday I expect it, but Monday it's always kind of like, what's going to be like? Who knows? Especially a new spot. I'm super stoked that the turnout was as good as it was tonight. So let's go through it.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Enzo wraps. Look at that hood, all about like 10 minutes flat. So knock it out. People are starting to roll out. Some people are still rolling in. That's just the way it is. But I appreciate everybody who did get a chance to roll out. It was a good night. Good night. See ya. Good vibes. Good food. Cold as